disease, a disease that can be spread from one person to another. COVID-19, Ebola virus, measles, hepatitis, HIV, gonorrhea. COVID-19, Ebola virus, measles, hepatitis, HIV, gonorrhea. COVID-19, Ebola virus, measles, HIV, gonorrhea, hepatitis. COVID-19, Ebola virus, measles, HIV, gonorrhea, and hepatitis. So, communicable disease kay isa a disease that can be transferred to one person to another. Measles, HIV, gonorrhea, hepatitis, and Ebola virus. Ang non-communicable disease kay non-infectious disease that cannot be spread, lifestyle-related like hypertension, diabetes mellitus, and cancer. Hypertension, diabetes mellitus, and cancer. Again, so communicable disease is a disease that can be transferred to another person, to another, such as COVID-19, Ebola virus, measles, HIV, hepatitis, gonorrhea. Non-communicable disease kay lifestyle-related siya, such as hypertension, diabetes mellitus, and cancer. Pathos disease. Pathogen microbe that can cause a disease. Pathology, study of a structural and functional manifestations of the disease. Study of the structural and functional of manifestation of the disease. Kaya ang pathology. Ang pathogenicity ay the ability of the pathogen to cause a disease. Pathogenicity. The ability of the pathogen to cause a disease. Pathogenicity. Yung pathogenesis can involve in the development of the disease. Infection, colonization by a pathogen.
Ocean.
Michael, can I kiss you? Can I kiss you? Michael, can I kiss you? Yes or no?
I'm so tired.
Huh?
I'm so tired.
You're so tired? Huh? You're tired?
You're tired?
I love you. Hi. What is this? You're too thin?